Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 7th day of Navratri and today's color is green. Green refers to the various aspects of Mother Nature and its nourishing qualities. So today I bring you a very auspicious and traditional recipe, the green patoli. This is a very traditional recipe of the Konkan region and it contains all the ingredients that are considered auspicious like jaggery, coconut, rice, turmeric and ghee. First we will prepare the filling and then the outer casing. 90% of the times it is observed that jaggery has some or the other impurities. So I always prefer to use the jaggery after melting and straining it. You will notice the impurities after I have strained the jaggery. Use freshly grated coconut and as much as possible use the pure white portion of it. Lightly roast the coconut, do not brown it. Add in half a cup of melted jaggery and combine the two. Also add in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now if you want more sweeter, you can add more jaggery over here. Cook till all the water evaporates, but do not dry it out. It has to still be moist. Some add puffed rice or poha to soak up all the extra water. Now we start with the outer casing. Normally rice is soaked for 4 to 5 hours and then ground to a thick consistency. But for a quicker version, I used rice flour and warm water. Strain the rice flour and add salt to it. Some add sugar over here, but since the filling is already sweet, I have omitted it. Now add warm water a little at a time till you get a thick batter consistency. The star of this recipe are the turmeric leaves. These turmeric leaves are from my balcony garden. I have washed and cut them to the size of my steamer. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour to thicken the batter. I have separated a small portion of the batter and colored it green for today's recipe. Take each leaf and apply a mixture of oil and water over it. Spread the batter to cover the whole leaf. Place the coconut and jaggery filling in the center lengthwise and fold one end over the other. Prepare as many leaves as your steamer will hold at a time. Place the leaves in a steamer and steam for 20 minutes. When done, peel off the leaves and either serve it immediately or it can be stored in the refrigerator and had later. This is generally served with a drizzle of ghee. This turmeric leaf or turmeric patta patoli are so delicious because it has a mild flavor of turmeric and the turmeric leaves its impression on the patoli. Do try this once and you will relish this auspicious delicious patoli. If you enjoy watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share them with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching and meet you tomorrow in my next one.